is Sheila and welcome to my channel. On my channel I do unboxings of all sorts, so if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join me. And of course to my regular return subscribers, welcome back and I thank you very much. Now for today's video I have my Mint Mongoose for the month of March 2021 and I'm going to go ahead and get straight into it and share everything that I got with you. And this is the card that everything comes in. I already took it out of the package. And the theme this month is called Glass Half Full. And as you can see, voila, this is the first time she has started offering t-shirts on her subscriptions. So for only $9.99, you can add a t-shirt. And as you can see, the t-shirt is going to go along with the jewelry pieces and she makes it a complete theme. So I will also put a picture in here so you guys can see the full t-shirt, but I'll stand up and try to show you. It is a 60% cotton t-shirt and 40% polyester. Normally I wear a size large, but this shirt I ordered an extra large because she did say that the cut of the t-shirt is more fitted. So normally I wear a large, but in this case I wanted to be on the safe side and go ahead and size up to an extra large, and that's what this is. So I am definitely glad that I sized up to an extra large because if I would have got a large, it would have been way too small for me. So that's a little tip for you guys. But every month she has an inspiration and of course, glass half full. It says make it a glass half full kind of day. And these are the pieces that you get in here. And with Mint Mongoose, you get a little piece of Werther's candy, which I already opened and gave to my husband because you can see I already opened the box. And she said she gave me a card this month that says happy anniversary. And every 3 months she gives you a little present. And what I received this month is a little hair clip. So a little pearl hair clip. This reminds me of the same hair clip that I got from True Wants Need It bag. I forget which volume that was, but she has a very good, if you don't know who True Wants is, I will leave a link up here to her channel. Go check her out. She has her own bag out now. It's called a True Want Need It bag. So it's really a pretty good bag. But back on to this. You get 3 pieces of jewelry for $16.99 a month, and that does include shipping. And you also can add extras onto it now, like a t-shirt. So I haven't seen too many people offering the t-shirt, so I'm pretty happy to be able to show you guys what the t-shirt looks like. Now every month it comes wrapped like this, all the 3 pieces of jewelry. So I'm going to go ahead and unwrap it and show you. And everything is individually wrapped. And she usually gives you two necklaces and a pair of earrings. You can also request rings too if you would like. But here is the first necklace out. As you can see, it's just a little round circle. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. And it does have adjustments for whatever length you want it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the shorter one here. Okay, there is the first necklace. And then this piece right here. Okay, these are the earrings. Now this is what the earrings go. You can see how she makes it a complete set. It completely matches the earrings. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in. Let me take these out. I meant to take these out before I started, but I forgot. And they're just on a simple little hook like that. So I got my mirror here in front of me. Oh, I like these. These are nice, long, and dangly. Now we have one more necklace. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, it's in a big knot here. You know what? But I'm not going to worry about it right now. As you can see, that's the way it looks. I'm just going to put it on over my head and work on the knot later. Let me pull this up a little bit so you guys can see. But that's the way it looks. I hope it's coming through on the camera. But that is a very, very lovely set. Let me see if I stand up if you can see the whole thing. So this is my Mint Mongoose. I'm happy that I finally ordered the t-shirt. I like it. Like I said, it's 60% cotton, 40% polyester. This is a size extra large. So for size reference, I'm 5'4", 168-ish. So that will give you kind of a guide reference maybe to what size if you want to order. This is an extra large, and this is the jewelry set this month, and it's beautiful and I love it, and it is a glass half full kind of day. So I hope you guys are having a glass half full kind of day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.